So before you jump into the next session where we're going to get into the Visual Basic Editor and really do a deep dive into the code itself, let's stop here for a moment and think about some ways that you can use Excel macros. So we saw in the previous few lectures that recording a macro really isn't a big deal. You go up to your View tab, you go to Macros, you record a macro. You fill in the little macro window, you hit OK, but you're now recording. Anything that you do, think about that for a moment. What do you do inside of Excel? What would you like to be able to do? What is your manager asking you to do? What would you like to perform and really automate? Let's get Excel to do some of the work for you. So what are those things, some of those things that you do? Well, let's make a short little list here. Perhaps you import data from some other system, you dump it into Excel. Right? Every day, every week, once a month, I have to do this, whatever the time frame is. But now we can record ourselves importing data into Excel. So the next time you need to do it, you hit a shortcut key, you hit a button in the interface, and you're done. Maybe you create charts. I don't know how many steps you have to go through inside of Excel to create a chart. Well, we can just record ourselves creating that chart based off of some data. Maybe you got to filter or sort data or format data. This is something regularly that I do. Well, turn it into a macro. Get Excel to do that for you. So again, stop and think for a moment. What do you do inside of Excel that you would like to automate? Get Excel to do that information for us or do that work for you. So think about that before you move to the next session. Okay? And then do me a favor. Engage, go into the discussion board within this training environment and share some of these ideas with us. Where can you use macros to automate your work inside of Excel? And maybe you'll spark an idea within somebody else and give them an idea of where they can be using it as well. So I'll see you in a little bit with the next session.